right, Dr. Kemp, Hammond Doc. All right, so this is the new spring. Working on this Leslie slow motor, upper slow motor. New spring, new washer that's here, and it's already on here on the bearing. Now this is the old washer. So I'm going to take this old washer off of here. Put it over there. And pick this up. This is the bearing. I've already oiled it. It's a good thing with these. Clean them, lubricate them, and then oil them. All right, so now I want to make sure that that hole right there is facing this toward me. This hole right here. That hole has to be facing toward me. So that's how it's going to go. All right, so put this new, put it on back here. Change that. Okay. So this goes on here like that. So that's how it's going to go. It's going to go back onto the front. Now I have this little, see, cloth washer there. This is the old one. I'll put it over here. Take the new one, put it on here. Everything has to be done the same way. Everything has to be done in proper reverse. Now this right here goes here. Now that's right. Okay, that's how that goes. Now I can put this back on here. Now this new spring here goes here. Uh-oh. Put that back on. Make sure that's on. And this spring goes here. And then this, make sure the hole, see that hole right there? That hole has to be pointing at me. Now, I want to make sure, I'll just do it again just so you can see that this is cleaning, this is the cleaning of the bearing. That's cleaning the bearing. Here's lubricating, PB penetrator right there, and then this is oiling the bearing. 3-step process. So we clean it with WD-40, lubricate it with blaster, and then I oil it with good quality Zoom spout oil. Now make sure this is pointing, the little hole is pointing at me. And I can put that back on there. That's right. Now, put this back on. See? So that's good. That's good stuff right there. That's the way that works. Now next comes these right here. You have to remember, these go on first. That goes on first. I'm going to get a little lubricant down there. Got to get that breakthrough. Oh, they had to get it to breakthrough. That's tight now. Do this one the same way. Get my hand out of the way there. I'm trying to get my hand out of the way for you. All right. Good. All right, now I can tighten that up. So you want these tight. You don't want these loose. Good. That's good and tight. Yep. Now, you got these. There'll be two of them. You go here and here. And then these other two. Go here and here. Good stuff, good stuff. Now you see how it's starting to shape up. Here's your plate. And this is going to go right down on here. Just like that right there. All right. That's how that's going to go. See, that plate fits right on there. Now, what I'm going to do, before I do that, I'm going to take this screw. And I'm going to put this screw right here. I can go put a little blaster in there. A little PB blaster right there. A little blast on it. Just make it easier to go on. Tighten that up right there. Basically, here you're using hand tightening. It's about hand tightening right there. All right. Then here, you want to. It's important. See, I have these right here. See how I have them set. is to set them like that when you take it loose. Because everything has to go back the way it was removed. The way it was taken apart, you have to put this back together that way, same way. Or this thing will not run correctly. It will not run right. It's just not. So that goes right here. That goes right here. And this one goes on here like this. Let's see, I'm gonna put a little blaster on this. Put a little blaster in that. This right here is only right here, wrist tight. Okay, wrist tight. All right. And now right there. Right there. Now you can see which side to use here. Which side do you use? Use the side that's already got the little markings on it. It's got little markings on it from the little lock washer there. So you use that. That's the side to use. Using that PB cleaner helps to make that easier to go on there. That motor is ready now. That's how you rebuild a Leslie slow motor. Just did it. Now this motor's ready. It won't be making that noise now. That's how clean it is. How quiet it is. Now it doesn't pop. See? When I plug it in, it doesn't pop like it was popping before. So now it's not popping. That's how you rebuild a Leslie upper slow motor. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, here in the shop, man, doing what I do. Wow, that thing is ready right now. Till the next video. Peace out.